Hey YouTube, just before this video starts, I want to show you the new microphone I got. It came with my phone. I lost it, but then I refound it since we were moving. I unpacked all my boxes and I found it. It also has a built-in voice modifier, so there's this button down here. And when I click it, it changes my voice, but I don't want to change it yet. And, volume, it's like what business people have, they hook it on to their ear and everything. But yeah, so, yeah, guys, this is Gaming Star, and I'll be right back with you. Hey guys, it's Gaming Star here with Austin Star Gaming here with another episode. Today I'll be singing, well, I don't know what to call it, but it has the lyrics of Call Me Maybe. I'm just gonna blurt out words and hope for the best. So yeah, if we get over 20 likes on this video, I will post another thing of me rap parody kind of thing. So yeah. Okay, let's go and get this thing started. And yes, I did get a new sound thing, so of course it's gonna have music. Okay, here we go.
I took a boy from his house, Miami is what he'll join. He's one of my many kids, the states are in my way. I use my kids as a weapon, water and food, yes they're scarce. I wasn't looking for riches, but now they're in my way. The state is folded, shotgun shells exploding, hot days, sun is burning. Who you think you're facing, baby? I abduct children, I might be crazy, FBI want me. I'm Coney, baby, I'm hard to track down. In my mansion, CIA want me. I'm Coney, baby, I abduct children. I might be crazy, FBI want me. I'm Coney, baby, and all the other rats try to find me. Everyone wants me. I'm Coney, baby. I take my time with my guns, I took no time with the calls. I owe you nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I kill and bury and steal, my optic side and it's real. I didn't think you would do it, but now you're in my way. The stakes are folded, shotgun shells exploding, hot days, sun is burning. Who you think you're facing, baby? I abduct children, I might be crazy, FBI want me. I'm Coney, baby, I'm hard to track down. In my mansion, CIA want me. I'm Coney, baby, I abduct children. I might be crazy, FBI want me. I'm Coney, baby, and all the other rats try to find me. Everyone wants me. I'm Coney, baby. Before you came into my view, I stole them so much. I stole them so much. I stole them so much. Before you came into my view, I stole them so much. And you should know that I stole them so much. I'm hard to track down. In my mansion, CIA want me. I'm Coney, baby, I abduct children. I might be crazy, FBI want me. I'm Coney, baby, and all the other rats try to find me. Everyone wants me. I'm Coney, baby. Before you came into my view, I stole them so much. I stole them so much. I stole them so much. Before you came into my view, I stole them so much. And you should know that I'm Coney, baby.
Alright guys, so that was the song that I was singing, and holy crap, I'm so exhausted after that. I might go to bed. But yeah guys, this is Gaming Star Gaming here, and peace out. And before I go, if we reach 20 likes on this video, I will make sure to make another parody like this. So yeah, guys, this is Gaming Stars known as Star Gaming, and how am I supposed to do this? Peace out.